Here I got an example on dividing two monomials, 4x squared over 6x to the 7th power. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up simplifying this whole thing. It is like one big fraction. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. But first, I want to start off with the numbers. Here we have 4 over 6. Treat it just like a fraction. We have to simplify the top and the bottom. So we got to figure out what number goes into 4 and 6. That number is 2. So if I divide the top by 2, it's going to turn into a 2. If I divide the bottom by 2, it's going to turn into a 3. So then I end up with 2x squared over 3x to the 7th. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that so you can see. So we end up with 2x squared over 3x to the 7th. But we still have to simplify our x's. So I want you to remember the rule. Whenever you divide two monomials and you have exponents, when you divide, you have to subtract the exponents. Your result will always end up on the top. So you have to think next, what is 2 minus 7? So we're subtracting the exponents. Here I'm going to keep my 2 over 3. My x is going to end up on top always when I subtract my exponents. So here we have 2 minus 7. That's going to get us a negative 5 as our exponent. So we're still not technically done. We cannot have a negative exponent in our answer. In order to change that to a positive exponent, what we're going to do is we're going to move it to the bottom. The example that I like to use, this variable and this exponent are negative. They're not happy. So we're going to move them somewhere where they are happy. We move them to the bottom, they're going to become positive again. So that's going to give us 2 over 3x, and now our exponent is happy, it is positive, and that is our final answer. So there's an example right there on dividing two monomials. If you have any questions, go ahead and reply to the post.